Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What we got here is a 1994 Ford F-150. No, it's not a Lightning. It doesn't look like it's the Midnight Edition or anything, but what we're going to be doing to this, we're going to be making this old farm truck look just like the Gen 1 Ford Lightning. I've always enjoyed the look of the Gen 1 Ford Lightning, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing to this. And stay tuned because we got some Gen 2 wheels we're going to be drilling, and we're going to be putting on this Gen 1, and then we're going to be putting a little bit of a lowering kit on it, slam this thing on the ground a little bit and make it look cool. Alright, these are our Gen 2 wheels. These are off of a 2002 Ford Lightning. They are the black ones. What we're going to be doing to make these fit this older Gen 1 style truck, we're going to be drilling the center lugs out with an 11/16 drill bit. Now that may scare some people, but on these, the Fords use the flat lug nuts. Now these wheels and the wheels on this older model, they hub centric. So what that means is the center of the hub is what centers the wheel. So we're just going to get some of the washers that go from acorn to flat, put on this wheel so that it stays secure to the truck. That's what we're going to get into right now. Now this is an 11/16 drill bit. Now I've welded an extension on here so that my drill would make contact with the wheel because the drill was actually hitting it with a handle. But just take your drill bit and drill each of these right here out. Then this wheel will bolt up to a Generation 1. And that's pretty much all it takes to drill your Gen 2 wheels out so that they'll fit your Gen 1. But remember, make sure that you get those little spacers so that your acorn nuts will fit your flat style wheel. But now let's put them on a truck and see how they fit. Okay, and there you have it. I've bolted those wheels, those Gen 2 wheels on here after drilling out my holes to the 11/16 drill bit. Now right now I just have the factory acorn lug nuts on there, but if you go to brandsportautoaccessories.com, you can actually order the flat half 20 lug nuts that are flat that will fit these Gen 2 wheels. The code part number is 98-0025, and it's $51.80 for a full set that'll fit these wheels. So for $51.80, 11/16 drill bit and some Gen 2 wheels, you can make them fit your Generation 1 style F-150. But that's going to be it for the video, guys. Thank you, and subscribe and like, hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you on the next video.